I'm Angel Hope. I work for the Marine Department as a field technician in the prep bay. I've been here 4 years, half a year in parts, 2 years in earth moving, and then 2 years here. I'm really big on learning. It's kind of a lifestyle, and as long as you see that mindset here, you'll succeed. But also, you can't get bored here. I mean, there's always something to learn. There's always something you can strengthen your skill set with. I've learned to weld, so I think that's great. And you could ask anybody here and they're more than happy to help you and show you along. A lot of customers have specific needs or designs, and so they leave that up to our engineers and myself to fabricate and handle that and make sure it gets done right. I worked under a very experienced technician for 2 years, and he was here 40. So the amount of trust that it takes to retire and just have me here doing everything is an honor, really. I've watched coworkers grow up, and I've enjoyed their success as they have mine. When I started here, I didn't have any experience or really any knowledge of the real world. They watched me get engaged, get married, become a homeowner, and I've seen the same on their ends, and I've just seen their ambitions. And there's so many different places you can go within this company, and for them to grow and strive just as I have, I think it's pretty neat. Actually, what got me started here was the question of what if, because I was scared. I didn't know what to do or what to think. I had no experience. But if you be yourself and you work hard, take pride in your work, I think everything else will fall into place.